Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing, installing, and reviewing these Lasfit LED switchback bulbs to replace my halogen bulbs on my 2019 Ford Ranger. Lasfit has sent this over to me to install and review, and they've also provided a 10% discount. Use JPV10 at checkout to get 10% off their entire product line. Check out those links down below to score yourself a tasty 10% discount. So these are gonna replace my halogen bulbs, like I said, and they are coming in two color temperatures. One is going to be 6,000 Kelvin and the other is going to be 3,000 Kelvin. So a bright white and a bright yellow. The purpose of that, for different situations, you're going to be able to cut through environments like fog, snow, rain, mist, you name it. We're going to do some tests at nighttime to see how bright they are and just give you guys my all-around thoughts. Without further ado, it is raining. It's going to be raining all week, so I'm going to try and get this video pumped out. We're going to get these installed in the garage and get right to it. So stay tuned. All right, GoPro cam, let's go. Okay, so as you can see right there, guys, that is where the bulb is. So you can see the connector. That is the driver's side. So you just unplug that right there, and then you reach in and then reach counterclockwise. And there. Basic. Go. These things are super bright. These are the halogen bulbs. And you can see those are the replacements. Probably need to defog this thing. That was the install, and now we are going to just show y'all how really bright this thing is. So we are gonna test these out at nighttime, and we're gonna show you a different couple of scenarios. But right now, I can tell you that these fog light LED replacements are gonna be really bright. It's gonna be no problem. Probably wouldn't recommend them driving down the highway unless of course it's like foggy or something when you actually need it. Off-roading especially, I can see the yellow cutting through the dirt and the whatever you kick up when you're off-roading. These LED replacements I'm already feeling pretty good about. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out now. Okay, so we have replaced the bulbs and cool to the touch. So we're gonna test them out in nighttime and show you how these work and show how bright they are. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for checking out this video, this review of the Lasfit LED fog light replacements for my 2019 Ford Ranger. Guys, as you can see, these LED bulbs light up the night, and y'all will definitely love using these for your off-road travels and for any nighttime off-road overlanding trips that you take. These things are a definite must pick up if you guys are looking to just do some upgrades under $100. Guys, use the discount code JPV10 at checkout to get 10% off your purchase. I want to say a huge thank you to Lasfit for sending this over to me, sponsoring this video, and I wanted to say thank you guys for checking out the video. Appreciate everybody watching. Guys, go ahead and pick up yourselves one of these LED bulbs for your vehicle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. We're gonna be doing some more truck content as we move along this year. There have been a lot of things going on just personally for me, and we're gonna be pumping out more stuff. We're gonna continue building this thing out, throwing some tint on there, doing some small upgrades here and there, and then finally upgrading the suspension, wheels, tires, everything. So guys, stay tuned for all that, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Y'all have a good evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you guys are at, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.